Yeah, morning, Francis Mandy.
Morning, Mike Mandy. We farm here in Eastern Free State, Harry Smith area. We farm together, my old man.
Yeah, and I'm fifth generation, Michael sixth generation of the farm, and he joined the farm, I think it was 8 years ago. Before that I was doing 200 hectares of crops and then running the cattle. And Michael came in and we've taken the cropping from 200 hectares to 1,200.
Yeah, so I think we started seeing things we didn't really like, things like erosion. Wind was blowing all our cover away in Eastern Free State, especially in August, September months. And you could see it was not going to be sustainable for the future, and decided, no, there must be another way to farm. One of our first goals was in the winter to keep all our cover on our lands, in our lands. So minimum till try to get, basically what's there to stay there.
Yeah, okay. And when we first started, as I said, in August, September, it was just, we joined everyone else with the dust and blowing and all of that, and we just decided the first goal was to no soil blown away, no soil erosion, and then to get blue water in our dams. And we achieved that within 2 or 3 years. That we didn't have any more lands blowing, and after a hard shower of rain, our dams are getting clean water and there's no dirty water running out of the lands. If the water comes out the lands, it's pretty clean. And a lot of people say, well, it's far too much work moving cattle every day. But if your cattle are actually improving in the worst time of the year and getting better, and you're getting better calving rates, better weaning rates, everything, surely that little bit of extra work pays for the difference. There's a huge difference. Just in the soil, the animals, everything is different. That you're making more money. Might be a little bit more work, but it's not that much more work.
So just tell me, like, the psychological difference between managing your cows in August and September 10 years ago and managing your cows in August and September now.
It was a huge relief just mentally too, because you're always worried where you're going to get the food. And we're giving bales, the cattle are thin, they can't get through. But just mentally, you can come out and do it and just dig in the soil and you just actually see the life, and it just lifts your spirits, and you just, it just makes a huge difference to your mental health.
So happy cows, happy farmer.
Happy cows, happy farmer, happy soil, as Michael says. Getting everything happy. And as I said, we're feeding all the steenbuck, darker, they're all around the birds. In the winter we have about 300 to 350 blue crane coming here in the winter. And it's, as we've been going on year by year, it started with like 50, and it just gets more and more and more. And all different types of birds coming in, animals too. The whole lot, it's just growing and growing each year.
That's
getting
amazing.
better and better. And as you say, you just drive around and see a bare piece of land that's blowing in dust and no animals around. I don't know. And you see cover animals around. It's much nicer to see that.